Good afternoon. It's Sunday, June 13th, and we're showing off what we've got accomplished this weekend at the mother-in-law suite in the farm. Jim has brought up the rugs and the new mattresses so that when we have guests over for the 4th of July, they'll be able to have someplace to sleep. If you come around into the living area, we brought some of the rugs and carpets upstairs. It's looking good. We got a few chairs up here. It's not really occupied per se, but if someone needs to throw a sleeping bag down in an air-conditioned space, they're going to be able to do that 4th of July weekend when we have company over. Brought a few tables and chairs and stuff up. We have the sink. We have the stove. Next weekend, I'm going to be painting the old refrigerator and bringing that up here. And then Jim put this beautiful light up in the hallway at the top of the stairs, and when we turn that on, it's LED, as well as the light under the picture that our daughter Rachel painted for Jim for Christmas. So if we go downstairs and see what we've done, we took all the boxes that were piling up in the living room for months, brought them back out here so that we could clean out the space. This is the old refrigerator that actually came from the beach house that we purchased that we're going to be taking upstairs into the mother-in-law suite. I swear I did wash it, but now there's some leaks and stuff that's coming from the freezer. So hopefully a couple of these electrical outlets will be loaded with with electricity by the time we get back next weekend. It is a little bit of a mess. We moved all my future furniture hobby projects over here into this corner and against the wall. This is the Bassett China hutch that I'm going to be working on to go upstairs in the mother-in-law suite. This desk that we bought from a neighbor for about 30 bucks, we're going to be turning that into a rolling island up in the mother-in-law suite. We brought our old file cabinets from the beach house. And the electrician, who is Bud's Heating, Electric, AC, and Plumbing, I know I got those all screwed up, but they're going to come and put a new box in this weekend. Got the freezer moved back over next to the washer and the dryer. Another project dresser that's going to be going upstairs. It'll be underneath the TV on the wall. I got this from a thrift store for 150 bucks. Isn't that just gorgeous? That's going to get treated and redone. Then yesterday we had a delivery. Our brand new refrigerator from Lowe's. Yay! Thanks, Lowe's. And so that's in our pantry. This thing is monstrous. See how big and deep it is? So I'm glad we put it into the pantry instead of the area that we're going to have for the kitchen out front. Then we finished all the ceiling molding in the large bathroom. And Jim got up on a ladder before I could and did all the silicone caulking along the top. And we are officially finished in this room. That I can't get close enough, but the molding is just gorgeous. And then since we moved all the boxes, or most of them, into different places in the house, we're able to open things up. We finally have my mom and dad's antique now. It was brand new when they bought it, but it was over 50 years ago, so now it's officially an antique. Solid mahogany, expandable dining room table. We took the old refrigerator out, and now we've just got the drink refrigerator here in the old kitchen. So like we've said before, this is going to go away. And then the new kitchen is going to be built over here in this small corner where all the woodworking tools and everything are right now. Then, we've got all this open space now. Jim was an animal this afternoon and picked up all the real heavy boxes and moved them elsewhere. And now we have literally a nice area where we can invite guests in to have a seat and relax and enjoy themselves. And we pushed a lot of the other furniture into the back corner. This closet's going to go away because we're going to expand the bedroom that's on the other side of this wall. Say hi, Jim.
Hello.
He was working so hard this afternoon. We worked on the mudding and drywall for this. There used to be a door right here. You might be able to barely see the outlines or shadow of where it used to be. And that's going to open up into the other great room. And if you come back here, Jim moved a lot of stuff out of the way. And this is the front bedroom. And this will be where we'll be able to put a guest if they come to visit. And it is a little dusty and dirty and crowded and all boxes and stuff like that, but it's going to be safe and comfortable for them if they want to come in and sleep in this room. Master bedroom, we took all the dining room chairs out of it, and now there's like, oh my God, we can see the floor. So it's still packed, but we do have a little bit more room to manipulate and walk around in. And then here in the front corner bedroom, we were able to get a lot of boxes and stuff out of the way. So this is where we glamp. So the term is reno glamping. So that's where you're renovating and living in the place that you're renovating at the same time in sort of like glamour camping conditions. It is not posh, that's for sure. But at least we're comfortable. It's air conditioned in the summer, heated in the winter, and the plumbing and the water works. And so that's what we've been doing Sunday, June 13th, 2021. Say bye, Jim.
Bye.